Before I jump into demo, I want to step back, connect this to everything we have been talking about today. We're seeing incredible innovation across Collate and OpenMetadata. OpenMetadata is the contact center for the enterprise. AI Studio and the AI SDK are making it easier to build agents, AI-powered applications. Now with MCP, every service, database, and business system can become callable by an AI agent. These are extremely powerful, and organizations are building their own AI agents using Collate as the contact center. But it also creates a new challenge. Customers are no longer just asking, can I build AI? They're asking, can I safely scale AI? They want to know which agents exist, which models are being used, which MCP services are exposing sensitive data, which application affects customers, employees, business relations. And if an auditor asks for evidence, can we produce it without a month of spreadsheet work? So this is exactly the reasons we built the AI governance module. What you're seeing here is AI Governance Studio. Instead of treating governance as a separate process, a separate GRC process, we're bringing it directly into the metadata and the context layer. The dashboard gives customers a live view of their AI estates, agents, MCP servers, LLM models that are being used within the organization. In this example, Collate has discovered around 19 AI assets. Some are pending review, some are high risk, and importantly, some are shadow AI, things that organization did not formally register, but Collate detected from metadata signals such as outbound API traffic, logs, and SaaS activity. This is the first big value, inventory and visibility. Most companies cannot give govern AI because they cannot even answer the first question, what AI do we have? Collate answered that by making agents, applications, LLM models, MCP servers, and all of this as a first-class governed assets. Once we have the inventory, the next question is risk. Here, Collate classifies AI assets by risk category. Is the risk minimal, limited, high risk, or unacceptable? The dashboard also maps against the frameworks like EU AI Act, NIST AI RMF, IEC 42001. The key point is that this is not a static checklist. It is grounded in OpenMetadata context. What data the AI uses, whether it touches PII, whether it's deployed, who owns it, what downstream system it affects, whether it has the right monitoring and evidence. So governance becomes a data-driven. For example, if an AI agent reads a sensitive data, writes the action back to Salesforce, that is very different from an internal summarization tool. Collate can use metadata context to help customers classify risk and prioritize what needs attention. Now, let's go into the registry of all the AI assets that we have. This is where concept becomes very powerful. We are not just cataloging tables, dashboards, pipelines anymore. We are cataloging the new AI operating layer, applications, LLM deployments, MCP servers, and agents. Here I can filter by type of applications, models, MCP servers, or agents. I can filter by risk and region, framework, or compliance state. This matters for customers because AI is no longer a single centralized platform. It is spreading across the teams. Marketing may use a Slack bot. Sales may build a forecast agent. And platform teams may expose Snowflake through MCP. HR may test a candidate ranking model. Right? Without a central context layer, governance teams are blind. With Collate, they get one place to see and govern the entire AI estate. Now, let's say a team wants to register new AI assets. The intake results walk them through the key questions such as, what are you building? Is it an application, an LLM model? Is it a chatbot? Is it a code generator? Who owns it? What data is being deployed? What part of the process deployment stage it is in? Does it touch any PI data? Which region does it operate in? The Collate suggests a risk classification. This is what we make governance easier for builders. Instead of sending teams to a long policy document, Collate guides them through the right questions in the product. It can suggest something is high risk because it touches employment data, customer eligibility, financial data, sensitive personal data. And then when they submit it, it goes to Risk Council for review. Production deployments can be blocked until the right controls are in place. So governance is not an after-fact audit. It becomes part of AI development lifecycle. And each of these assets in AI has a full understanding of compliant policies. We can see the owner, team, deployment, affected users, regions, compliance status. And the compliance tab clearly shows EU AI Act assessment with classifications up to 5 prohibited practice checks, and so on. This is where our context layer becomes critical. The system can explain why this asset is a high risk. It reads customer profile data, supports transcripts, and payment history. It connects to Snowflake, Salesforce, and Zendesk. Outputs can influence customer retention output. The context is what turns governance from a manual questioning into evidence-backed assessment. Finally, governance has to be continuous. In policies and drift, Collate monitors the estate for policy breaches. PII without a DPA, model drift about threshold missing, fairness testing, missing human oversight, or insufficient audit log retention. When something breaks policy, Collate opens a breach and links it back to the asset and remediation. Ask Collate can help governance teams move faster. It can summarize what needs to be attention, track fairness evidence, trash shadow AI, or prepare an audit pack grounded in the metadata context. And in audit reports, Collate turns all of this evidence back into EU AI Act, NIST AI RMF, and other frameworks. And as a user, you can download PDFs or JSON for systems. And we also offer out-of-the-box different framework libraries that you can enable so that your AI estate can generate an audit pack for that particular framework. You can still innovate quickly, you can still build agents, applications, and MCP integrations. But now you can do it with visibility, ownership, risk classifications, continuous controls, audit-ready evidence. This is what makes Collate and OpenMetadata so powerful as the context center for the enterprise AI. The future of AI is not just about building more agents. It is about knowing which agents exist, what context they use, what action they can use, whether the business can trust them. This is the role Collate plays, the governance and context layer for enterprise AI.